guys, and welcome. This is me, JB Rose, singing vegan mum. How are you all doing? The clock is going forward, back, something. Anyway, that means we're going to have more light, which is a fantastic thing. The summer is coming. Also, the lockdown thing is starting to ease over here in the UK. Isn't it a wonderful thing? So, what am I doing this week? I thought I would do a what I eat in a day thing. So, I decided to make 3 dishes. My breakfast, my lunch, and my dinner. Now, I'm going to be honest, right? It's quite a lot of food, right? I don't actually eat that much, but that's what I would eat if I was going to eat that much in a day. It's been a very busy week for me. I did my very first ever live cooking demonstration where I'm cooking and talking and all that kind of stuff on a Zoom thing. It was scary, but it was great. I really enjoyed it. I did it for a company called Ubele. I cooked and I sang, so I got to do 2 of the things that I love to do. Hey! But listen, before I get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, and if you've never seen me before, I'm JB Rose. I'm a singer, I'm a vegan, I'm a mum. I like cooking, I like singing, I like talking to you. What I like to do is vegan dishes, especially with a little bit of a Caribbean slant to it. I hope you enjoyed this week's recipe, what I ate in a day. Let's get into it. Morning guys, it's morning and I have gone for my run. The kids have gone to school and it's time for me to have some breakfast. Now normally, you know, I have a green smoothie, but I'm gonna maybe have that a bit late. I don't fancy it today. Earlier this week I made my child some waffles. Now I'm not into waffles normally, but what I'm going to do today is do it a little bit different. I'm going to make waffles, but the flour is going to be made out of porridge. So it'll be a porridge waffle. And yeah, so let's have that for breakfast instead today. So this is what we're having for breakfast, and I will show you what else I eat throughout the day. So to make our healthy porridge waffles, I have a few ingredients. So I've got a lovely bowl, and first of all I'm going to add some spelt flour. That's 1 cup of spelt flour, and then I have half a cup of porridge oats. Little mix. This is just for me, so if you want to add double, if you're going to add it for other people, do so. Then I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon. Lid's coming off. There we go. A little bit of cinnamon. Smelling beautiful. Mix. And then because spelt flour doesn't have any raisin agent in it, we're going to add a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix. A lovely jubbly. Because it's a breakfast thing, I'm going to add a few sultanas into my lovely mixture. Along with that, I'm going to add a teaspoon of flaxseed, and we mix. I've got some maple syrup. If you want to add some maple syrup to making it to sweeten it, you can do. I'm not, because you know me, not with the sugar, but you can if you want to. And then you're just going to add, yeah, I've got almond milk, so whatever plant milk you want to add your plant milk until it's a consistency, you know, like when you're making a pancake. Yeah, so that's what you want, a kind of pancake consistency. But look, can you see? Yeah, it's looking great. You can whisk it, but this is good. This is okay. Yeah, nice kind of thickish consistency. So our waffle mixture is ready. And then I've got this waffle maker I bought a while back. My kids love waffles, especially my oldest. And it's hot. See the steam that came off of that. And it is non-stick, but sometimes it does stick. So I have a little bit of oil. I'm just gonna lightly rub it with oil, and then we simply get our lovely mixture and we're gonna pour it into our waffle maker. Yeah, it's just enough for one. Can you see? And then I'm gonna cook that for about 5 minutes, but until it browns, so keep looking at it. So here guys, here it is. It was tricky coming out. You know why? I didn't oil it good enough. You know when I was showing you the beginning, I was oiling it, but never mind. It looked alright still, alright? on top, oh, I'm going to put it on the side. I'm going to put it on top. On top, I'm going to just flob. Do you like the word? I'm going to flob some nice homemade yogurt, some nice vegan yogurt. And then some bits of banana on top. And then some blueberries. Oh, I think it's kind of rustic looking, right? This is breakfast, guys. It doesn't look so pretty, but you get what I mean. Nothing is always perfect on YouTube. So this is what I had for breakfast today. See you later for the rest. Lunchtime, guys. I'm going to make an easy pasta dish. Here's some beautiful brown pasta, and here's some water ready to boil. I'm going to make a quick and easy sauce with this lovely long stem broccoli, some beautiful basil, and hiding behind there is the courgette. So first of all, I'm going to put some plant milk in to make our sauce, and then a couple of cloves of garlic, and then all of the basil, and I've chopped up half of the courgettes. We're going to add some generous spoons of yeast flakes. Then we're going to add some mixed herbs and some onion granules or salt. And now we're going to liquidize. Look at that, guys, beautiful and green. This is our sauce for our lovely pasta. I'm going to cook that through 5-10 minutes. So my good people, here are all the elements. My pasta, I steamed the vegetables, and of course here is the sauce. So we're going to combine everything together. So the pasta is going to go in with the sauce, and of course we're going to mix that up together. Look at that. Ooh, looking so good. Then of course we are then going to add our vegetables to it too, and of course we're going to mix it. This is my simple lunch. Yeah, beautiful, really healthy, lots and lots of greens. This lovely dish with all these lovely veg, yeast flakes on top, and a few pumpkin seeds. Finally, we're going to add some spring onion. And that, guys, is my lunch today. What I ate in a day. Woo! I also added salt and pepper to this. It's absolutely gorgeous, really simple. Lunch is served. What's for dinner? I'm going to stick some holes in my potatoes, and you know I'm loving my air fryer. It's going to go in the air fryer, but you can bake yours in the oven. It's all good. Got some green lentils. And we're going to boil these through. This is going to be like a one-pot thing. So look, I've got some garlic that I've chopped up small. I've got a bit of a pepper and a little bit more, and a green pepper. All of this to my my lovely, delicious green lentils. Cut up some lovely onions. So I'm just cooking enough for me for my dinner. The good thing about green lentils, it cooks really quick. So as you can see, it's already reducing down. Now we're going to add in our onions and garlic and peppers. So as you can see, it's quite reduced down. But what's going to make this really delicious is I've got some beautiful coconut cream, and which I'm going to add. Now I haven't put any seasoning in yet, so for our seasoning we're going to add some turmeric, some all-purpose seasoning, paprika, not too much because that's going to burn out your mouth, some mixed herbs, some thyme. Be generous with the thyme. And you know what, you're just going to make your one pot cook through. It's going to be so nice. This is some fresh black pepper. As you can see, it's looking gorgeous and cooking through so nicely. Some salad. And we're going to add some tomatoes. It's going to be so nice. Our salad is looking brilliant. I'm literally just going to add a little bit of vinegar on it, and I'm going to add even more avocado oil, some black pepper over our lovely salad. So our jacket potato is ready, guys, and we are going to open him up. Ooh, just like you would do any old. Oh, I burnt my hand. Haha. Woo! Look how lovely that is. Woo! Very fleshy. I've got my vegan butter, which I'm just gonna add in there. So I'm gonna crush that up a little bit in there. Ooh. So I've crushed in my butter. Now let me show you how the lentils are doing. Look how lovely the lentils are doing. So nice, and it's all reduced down, but there's still enough juice, and we're going to add our lentils in the middle. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Lovely, lovely, jubbly. And then we're going to top it off with some, of course, some spring onions. Oops. Spring onions don't want to separate. And a little bit of, we're going to add in some parsley. And guys, this is my dinner.
That's wonderful. I was having internet issues.
I saw that.
I was trying to log on, I came off. So please keep talking. So my name is JB Rose, and I have a real love for cooking, and I got that from my mum. My mum's from Jamaica, and she was brought up in a bakery. Her stepmother taught her everything, and I was always interested in cooking. So when my mum was cooking, I was watching. Today I'm using spelt flour. I don't know if you know how to make pastry, but it's normally half factor flour. Lovely. Our flan, one I made earlier. So look, can you see our plate of food? No more stress, gotta get up now and bring it on back to love. No more stress, gotta get up now and bring it on back to love.
So we're at the bit that I always love, which is trying it, tasting it. I'm gonna try this lovely sweet potato with a little bit of my lentils with the coconut cream. Really creamy, really delicious. You can really taste that coconut in the green lentils. Really lovely, guys. Really simple dish. It's so easy to cook vegan. You don't have to be a vegan to eat this food. So guys, for healthy vegan options, I'm your girl. I'm your girl.